Welcome to our presentations. Today our presentation topic is Strategic Insights into Gold Investment through Mutual Funds in India, presented by SURID Chatterjee. Powered by Options and Ideas. Let's start the presentation. Introduction to Gold Investment. In today's financial landscape, gold investment has emerged as a vital component for portfolio diversification. This presentation explores the strategic insights into investing in gold through mutual funds in India, highlighting the benefits and considerations for investors. Understanding gold as an asset. Gold is not just a precious metal, it serves as a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. Its historical significance and intrinsic value make it a preferred choice for many investors seeking stability in their portfolios. Benefits of mutual funds. Investing in gold mutual funds offers several advantages, including liquidity, professional management, and diversification. These funds allow investors to participate in the gold market without the need for physical storage or security concerns. Types of gold mutual funds. There are primarily two types of gold mutual funds, gold ETFs and gold fund of funds. Gold ETFs invest directly in physical gold, while gold fund of funds invest in other gold ETFs, offering different investment strategies. Market trends in gold investment. The Indian gold market has shown significant growth, influenced by factors such as global economic conditions and local demand. Understanding these trends can help investors make informed decisions regarding their gold investments. What is a gold SIP calculator? Answer is, the Gold SIP calculator to determine how much return you can get by investing in gold mutual funds. It is a simple tool that will enable you to compute the estimated returns on your investment. How to calculate to gold SIP? The SIP calculator uses the value of the initial investment, rate of returns and maturity period to calculate the accumulated returns. The compound interest formula is used to calculate the value of SIP investment. This is given below. A equals Px, 1 plus R, caret N1, x, 1 plus R, where A represents the amount you will get on maturity, P is the total value of your investment made every month, R is the periodic rate of interest, N is the investment duration in months. Top gold mutual funds to invest in 2024. Last 5-year return on investment based on RBI Sovereign Gold Bond. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. 10 highest yielding mutual funds for golds over a 3-year period in India. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. 10 highest yielding mutual funds for golds over a 5-year period in India. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. 10 highest yielding mutual funds for golds over a 10-year period in India. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. Investment strategies. Adopting a systematic investment plan, SIP, in gold mutual funds can help investors manage volatility. This strategy allows for regular investments, averaging costs over time, and reducing the impact of market fluctuations. Commodity account in gold investment. Meaning, a commodity account for gold investment is a type of account that allows investors to buy, hold, and trade gold and other precious metals. This account can be offered by financial institutions, brokerage firms, or specialized commodity trading platforms. Direct investment in gold. Investors can buy and hold physical gold, such as gold bars and coins, through the commodity account. The account may also allow investment in gold-related financial instruments like gold futures, options, and ETFs. Storage and security. Commodity accounts provide high liquidity, enabling investors to quickly buy or sell gold at market prices. Transactions can often be executed online, offering convenience and speed. Investment flexibility. Investors can choose from various gold-related products, including physical gold, gold ETFs, and gold mutual funds. Accounts may offer leverage options, allowing investors to trade larger positions with a smaller initial investment. Diversification. Investing in gold through a commodity account provides portfolio diversification, reducing overall investment risk. Gold's low correlation with other asset classes makes it a valuable hedge against market volatility. Benefits. Protection against inflation. Gold maintains its value over time, making it a good hedge against inflation. Economic stability. Gold prices often rise during economic uncertainty, providing stability to the investment portfolio. Global acceptance. Gold is a universally recognized and traded asset, offering global investment opportunities. Example of a commodity account provider. ICICI Bank Gold Investment Account allows purchase and holding of gold in digital form. Gold is stored in secure vaults and can be redeemed in physical form. Provides easy access and management through the bank's online platform. Last 5-year return on investment based on commodity account. Donut chart analysis. Column chart analysis, by following above information. 99.9% physical gold bar in gold investment. Meaning, a 99.9% physical gold bar, often referred to as 3 nines fine gold, is a gold bar with a purity level of 99.9%. This means that 99.9% of the bar's content is pure gold, with the remaining 0.1% typically consisting of other metals or impurities. This high purity level makes it a popular choice for investors looking to add physical gold to their investment portfolios. Purity and certification. Purity level. A 99.9% gold bar is highly pure, making it a valuable and trusted form of investment. Certification. These bars are usually certified by recognized authorities or mints, ensuring their authenticity and purity. Common certifications include those from the London Bullion Market Association, LBMA, or national mints. Liquidity. High liquidity. Gold bars are highly liquid and can be easily bought or sold through dealers, banks, and trading platforms. Market price. They are typically traded at or near the current market price of gold, with a small premium added for manufacturing and certification costs. Storage. Secure storage. Physical gold bars require secure storage solutions, such as safety deposit boxes, vaults, or specialized gold storage facilities. Insurance. It is advisable to insure physical gold against theft, loss, or damage. Costs and considerations. Premiums. Buyers typically pay a premium over the spot price of gold, which covers the cost of minting, certification, and dealer margins. Storage costs. There may be ongoing costs associated with storing and insuring physical gold. Investment benefits. Hedge against inflation. Gold is known for maintaining its value over time, providing a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Safe haven. During times of economic uncertainty or market volatility, gold often acts as a safe haven asset. Diversification. Including gold in an investment portfolio helps diversify risk, as it often moves independently of other asset classes like stocks and bonds. Example of a 99.9% gold bar. Purity. 99.9%, 999.9 fine gold, weight. Available in various weights, including 1 gram, 10 grams, 100 grams, and 1 kilogram. Certification. Each bar is individually registered and comes with an assay certificate guaranteeing its purity and weight. Last 5-year return on investment based on 99.9% physical gold bar. Donut chart analysis. Column chart analysis, by following above information. Gold ornament in gold investment. Meaning, gold ornaments refer to jewelry items made from gold, such as necklaces, bracelets, rings, earrings, and more. While primarily purchased for personal adornment, gold ornaments are also considered a form of investment in many cultures, particularly in India. Investment value. Tangible asset. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold ornaments are tangible assets that can be worn and enjoyed while retaining value. Liquidity. Gold jewelry can be sold or pawned in times of financial need, providing liquidity. Purity and certification. Purity levels. Gold ornaments are usually made with 22 carat, 91.6% pure, or 18 carat, 75% pure, gold. Higher purity, 24 carat, is less common for jewelry due to its softness. Hallmarking. Certified gold jewelry bears a hallmark indicating its purity, ensuring authenticity and quality. Price components. Gold content. The primary value of gold ornaments comes from the weight and purity of the gold used. Making charges. Additional costs include making charges, labor costs, and design complexity. These charges can vary significantly based on the craftsmanship. Taxes and duties. Taxes such as GST, goods and services tax, and import duties also affect the final price. Returns and appreciation. Gold price appreciation. The value of gold ornaments generally appreciates with the rise in gold prices, providing a return on investment. Resale value. While gold prices influence resale value, making charges and wear and tear can reduce the resale price compared to the original purchase price. Benefits. Dual purpose. Serves as both an investment and a personal accessory. Cultural value. Significant sentimental and cultural value. Easy to liquidate. Can be easily sold or pawned. Example. Gold content value. Determined by current gold prices. Making charges. Additional cost based on design complexity. Resale value. Influenced by gold weight, purity, and condition, but typically lower than the purchase price due to deducted making charges and potential wear. Last 5-year return on investment based on gold ornaments. Donut chart analysis. Column chart analysis, by following above information. RBI sovereign bond in gold investment. Meaning, RBI sovereign gold bonds, SGBs, are government securities denominated in grams of gold. They are an efficient way to invest in gold without the need to store physical gold. These bonds are issued by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, on behalf of the Government of India and offer investors the benefits of investing in gold with additional interest earnings. Investment mechanism. Denomination. SGBs are issued in denominations of 1 gram of gold and multiples thereof. Purchase. They can be purchased from banks, post offices, Stock Holding Corporation of India, SHCIL, and through authorized stock exchanges like NSE and BSE. Interest rate. Fixed interest. SGBs offer a fixed interest rate of 2.50% per annum, payable semi-annually on the initial investment amount. Additional returns. Investors also gain from the appreciation in gold prices. Redemption. Redemption price. The redemption price is linked to the prevailing price of gold, based on the simple average of closing price of gold of 999 purity, of the previous 3 working days published by the India Bullion and Jewellers Association Limited, IBJA. Tax benefits. Capital gains. The capital gains tax arising on redemption of SGBs to an individual is exempted. The indexation benefits are provided to long-term capital gains arising to any person on transfer of bond. Interest income. The interest earned is taxable as per the investor's income tax slab. Benefits. Safety. SGBs are government-backed securities, making them a safe investment. No storage issues. Investors do not need to worry about the storage and safety of physical gold. Liquidity. Bonds are tradable on stock exchanges within a fortnight of issuance, offering liquidity. Example. Let's consider an example where an investor buys 10 grams of SGBs. Purchase price, 5,000 rupees per gram, for simplicity. Investment amount, 50,000 rupees for 10 grams. Interest earned, 2.5% per annum on 50,000 rupees equals 1 rupee, 250 per year. Redemption. After 8 years, assuming gold price increases to 6,500 rupees per gram. Redemption amount, rupee 6,500 by 10 grams equals 65,000 rupees. Total interest earned, rupee 1,250 by 8 years equals 10,000 rupees. Total returns, 65,000 rupees, redemption, plus 10,000 rupees, interest, equals 75,000 rupees. Capital gains, 75,000 rupees minus 50,000 rupees equals 25,000 rupees, tax exempt for individuals. Last 5-year return on investment based on RBI sovereign gold bond. Donut chart analysis. Column chart analysis, by following above information. Comparison of gold investment options. Recommendation: Best investment option, RBI Sovereign Gold Bond. Reason: safety and security, government-backed, ensuring high safety. Additional returns: fixed 2.5% interest per annum over the gold price appreciation. No physical storage, eliminates the need for secure storage and related costs. Tax benefits: exemption on capital gains tax at maturity. Ease of transaction, easily accessible through banks and stock exchanges. Risks involved: like any investment, gold mutual funds come with risks, including market risk, liquidity risk, and regulatory changes. Investors should assess their risk tolerance and consider these factors before investing in gold mutual funds. Risk factor: price volatility, economic conditions. Data: Gold Price Volatility Index. Performance analysis: analyzing the historical performance of gold mutual funds can provide insights into their potential returns. Investors should compare fund performance with benchmarks and consider expense ratios for a comprehensive evaluation. Future outlook: the future of gold investment in India appears promising, driven by increasing demand and the evolving economic landscape. Investors should stay informed about market trends and economic indicators to make strategic decisions. Conclusion: in conclusion, gold mutual funds present a strategic investment opportunity in India. By understanding the market dynamics, risks, and benefits, investors can harness the potential of gold to enhance their financial portfolios. Reference: 5paisa, IND Money and ICICI Bank. Thanks for the watching video. If you want more information related to investment plans, please contact us in specific details through, and like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon to get more interesting videos.